Today we're going out to Iron Mountain Trail located in Poway, California. This is a 5.5 mile out and back trail with 1,100 feet of elevation gain, and it took about 2 hours and 14 minutes round trip. Now parking for this one is off Highway 67, and there is a pretty decent sized lot, but keep in mind it fills up quick. So if the parking lot's full, you're gonna have to head over to the side of the highway. There are spots available, but the cars are flying by, so make sure to be extra careful, especially if you have little ones. This one is also referred to as the Cowles, Cowles Mountain of East County. The elevation gain on this one is actually really nice. It's very gentle all the way to the top, and that's because the elevation is gained over about 2.25 miles. It's important that in this area it gets really hot, so make sure to check the weather before going and bring plenty of water. You know, I've been up during an overcast day and I've also been up during a clear day, and both of them have their benefits. On a clear day, you get to see all of the surrounding area, and on an overcast day, you might just get above the clouds, which is another beautiful view and experience that you should have as an outdoor adventurer if you haven't had the chance. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, comment down below on where you want to see next, and subscribe for future updates. Until next time, stay safe on the trail, adventure fam.